Welcome back, folks. George on Ned here, working on my bike today. So, installed this. The instructions are very clear. That was the installation process. So, took a little trial and error. I need my dad to help me get this part in for the bar, because over here, this was sort of in the way, so I had to mount that out and pry it out with the those pries. I'm trying to get this part in here so that I can screw in. I forgot what this part's called. Yeah, I had to get him to use the Allen key to hold that up in place so I could line it up and then sink it in, because it kept falling because of gravity. But otherwise, I handled the rest on my own. Took a little bit of jimming around to try to get everything aligned, but it's on there pretty solid. It's all tightened up. So, just having a quick lunch, pepperoni snackers, my snausages, and Jameson, triple distill, Irish whiskey, Coke. Got some ice. And I just listened to some tunes out here, so. I've been to Marilyn Manson, Megadeth, now Metallica. So, rock on. Joyce and the end, sign off. Oh yeah, and then afterwards I'm going to put on the saddlebags. So it'll help me when I'm going grocery shopping. I don't have to hang shit off the handlebars and risk, if it's too low, getting caught in the spokes and cause an accident. So, Joyce and the end, sign off. Peace out.